love my rose gold cup. Just wanted to share that. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to do something beauty related and just curling my hair with this tin curling wand. I've used this one for a really long time already, to I think 410, and it just works really good. I think I'm just gonna put it on 284, and it curls up really fast, and it's just been working for me. I've been using it for years already. I have like 3, and so far so good. So just wanted to do a curling my hair with me and just doing a chit chat. And I already brushed my hair. It's just like, I was gonna say second, third day hair, but it's really third day hair. But so far so good. Just gonna be putting my hair halfway up, halfway down. Like I said, it's already brushed. So, and the curling wand's been working really good for me. I love it because, you know, it just gives me that. My hair's already curly, but you know, the second, third day hair, when you have to brush your hair out and it gets frizzy and those curls don't come back. So sometimes I curl my hair here and there when I want to like just do a glam look, or just want to have curly hair, or you know, just feeling glam. So I use that, and there's no particularly way I do it. Sometimes I use big sections and sometimes I don't. And sometimes I get very close to the root of my hair. And I don't mind if it's imperfect. And there's no like particularly way I really like it. Like, see how this curl looks? I know some are gonna end up looking messy, which I don't mind. I used to be really into straight hair when I was younger because my hair was like really frizzy, but I grew to like my hair, and I used to not, because it used to be very frizzy in the rain and the humidity, and it used to make my hair frizz up really bad. So it's like my hair is kind of like wavy, curly. It has those moments where it's like both. You can see how the curl looks. Sometimes I stretch it because when you curl it, you lose length. So stretch it a little bit. You can see how they look really pretty. But yeah, grow to love your hair, because you could always like play around with it. When I don't use a curling wand, I just put my hair in a braid, and or like put in a messy bun, and some of my hair ends up looking wavy. So that's like a good tip. Put like your hair in a messy bun, like when you're just got out the shower, and your hair will be like really curly. So when I can't fit all my hair in there, I move to the next section and curl it. And I like that it goes up to high heat. It's really good if you want it to heat fast. Like I said, I just put it on right now and it heated really quick. And there's no particularly seconds like I wait for it. Just know when I feel like it's there too long, maybe like about 7 seconds. Get big chunks, I get small. We have our it's looking. Doing lately in this quarantine is just spending time with God, getting closer to God, and watching sermons. One of my favorite things to do is watch sermons and taking notes, and junk journaling, arting, crafting, playing some worship music. Like, I love doing that. I feel like it's so fun, and just in your little quiet time, spending time with God. And one of my favorite sermons I've been watching lately and pastors is David Jeremiah. Like, his sermons are really good, and I love them. Like, they feel like just really wow and really good. So I just feel like during this time especially, you have to feed yourself the word of God and getting closer to God. So that's what I feel like for me, is getting closer to God, feeding yourself the word of God, because that's what's really important. And for me, I haven't been really bored during this time, like, because I'm a crafter, so I love to make junk journals, I love to create, I love to make projects, so I'm always doing that. And lately I want to make more masks, so that's been what I've been wanting to do. So I never really get bored, because like I said, I love to even read in my spare time, and junk journal and art. It's fun. Just feel like it's really fun for me and therapeutic, and putting your worship music on and crafting. And I have a lot of material and supplies that I'm crafting with or creating projects, so it's like a lot to do, and a lot of things I always want to do. Like, there's always projects I have in mind, or like I can't wait to make. So just like either journaling, worshiping, keeping yourself not really busy, but like just doing those things to help you and help your spiritual life, and just growing even while you're at home. So that's a good thing to do. One of my favorite movies I've been watching is Fireproof. Like, I love Fireproof. That's one of my favorite movies. I even have the Love Dare book. I have 2 of those books, and those books are really, really good. Like, I love that movie. So beautiful. Let's see this side. It's curls. So what have you guys been doing during this time? What is one of your things you love to do? So yeah, I just wanted to do this beauty related video and just chatting and talking to you guys, because I hardly do that doing these types of videos. And especially beauty, because I know us girls love getting our hair done, love doing our hair, our nails, our makeup. So, and it's fun to just play around with these things. But lately I haven't been wearing makeup. Even in general, I don't wear makeup. I have a lot of makeup, but don't like wearing makeup so often. Oh, this curl came out so ugly. Do it again. almost finished the top here. Doing things how I want to and how I like it, because it works for me. So do what works for you. You don't have to do what everybody wants you or tells you to do. You just do how you like it and what works best for you. As you can see, we're almost finished. Curly one is really inexpensive. I think they have it at Walmart, and it's been working good for me. I thought it wouldn't really work good, but you know it does, and it has been lasting me for a really long time. I thought it's always hard for me to part my There you go. Just gonna speed up this process because it's kind of taking long because I have a lot of hair. So this is how the curls look, and what I do is you could sometimes separate them. You could even, what's another trick is you just, let me turn my curler off like this, and then it turns off. There you go. And what's another trick is putting your hair down out the back. So excuse how that looked. So you can see how the hair looks volumized and beautiful and curly. So I really love it. This is how the hair looks now, and you could just pull it like this. That's what I do to get the length out. One, I could get curls like this, some wavy curls. So with that one you could do a lot, and I'm not sponsored by Remote 10. I just really love that one. I've been using it for a while, and what works for me I want to just share with you all. So I love it. So pretty, so much fun little chit chat and, you know, curling our hair together. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.